Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alright, so hello everyone. So today I would like to tell you guys, or I would like to do a tutorial on how to make something like this, a web front page design, a UI UX design of a website's front page. So this particular web front page is about a furniture company called Homeify, and it has different categories like living, kitchen, and many more. And so we're gonna try to make something just like this. Here's the thing that will be need that will here's the stuff that we will need for this tutorial. So you need to know the colors. There's white, green, black, red. These are the exact color codes. And here's the logo. Here's the paintings, the lamp, the sofa, and here's are the pictures. So for all of these, except for the colors, for the logo and others, I will put in the description for you guys to download. Or for the pictures, also I will put in the description, but you can also search for yourself like an image of a sofa, a living room, a kitchen, and a bedroom in Google or in Unsplash all by yourself. So you don't really need the pictures, but if you want the exact picture, just go to the description to download it. All right, so let's start on making this web front page design. So first, all you need to do is to make a frame. Make a frame about like this if you want, and then the size is the width is 1440, and then 1024. So this already done, and then change it to 1024. Then if you're done, now we're gonna make the black background or the green background. So first, also get a triangle, then put it like that. Then the size is 1440 and 613. As you can see. Now for the color of this background. So the color that we'll be using is this one. But first, you need to change the color of the gray from solid into linear. Then put the line, make it like diagonal like this. Don't forget for the zero opacity one, change it to 100%. So it's not like blurry, so it's full color. And so first copy this color code. If you're done, the green one. If you're done, click here again, then click the bottom one, then replace the color code to the green, just like that. Then after that, copy this color code, the black one, then click the rectangle again, then click the gray one, then replace it with the black color code. So that's all you need to do. You just need to change the background into linear, make it diagonal, and then change the color like so. After done doing the background, first we need to make the logo. The logo I made all by myself by using shapes like triangles, mostly triangles, but you guys can also make it also by yourself. So I'm just gonna drag it in. For you guys, you can download it in the description. Download the logo. First, resize it into small. Then, for the next step is to use the text tool and type in Homeify. So as if the house is an H, so it's Homeify. To make it more clearer, change the select the ohm, and change the color into this one, this red. Go. So it will look something like this, and maybe the size isn't the same. If you want the exact size is 139, so we can just change it a little bit. Let me put it there, then group, select both and then group. Then after that, maybe this text is too small, so 27.83 is supposed to be 27.84. 84. Yeah, it's not that much different, and the is semi-bold, so change from, make sure that text is semi-bold, so it will look something like that. I think this is the, not the text is too small, I think it's the logo is that's too big, so you can just resize it yourself, maybe that big, and just like so, just like so. Like that. Then after that, don't forget to group, already group, and rename it to Homeify logo, and put it in the top right, somewhere around there. And then the next step is make the menus and the icons. For the menus, also pretty simple. All you need to do is write home, furniture, products, and store. So use the text tool and write in home, but first the size is 14.29, so don't forget to change it first. 14.29. After that, put it aligned as the logo, somewhere around there. Then you can just duplicate it, Control D, then duplicate it 4 times, and then change the name, the text into furniture, product, and store. So furniture, after that product, glass, store, and then you can select all 4 of the text and then click Shift A. Shift A is so that it's, so you can adjust the gap between each text. So over here the gap is 55, so we also need to change it into 55 as well, so decrease it until 55. If done, maybe raise it a little bit so it's the same as this to the top, like so. And then that's done for the menus. Now for the icon. The icon is pretty simple. All you need to do is to make an ellipse like that. But the exact size is 23 by 23, so you just need to change it 23, as you can see. Then add a stroke, make the thickness 2, I think, and then delete the filling and change the stroke color into white. If done, first align it with the text, just like that. All you need to do is use a pen tool, then go to the bottom right of the circle, click, and then just make like a little line sticking out. Also the thickness also 2, then change the color into white. See, super easy. And don't forget to group it. I mean, don't forget to group, Control G, and rename it into search icon. Yeah, don't forget to also rename this into menus. Don't forget to also rename this into back. So This one is the background, the rectangle. This Homeify logo, menus, search icon. Now the other one, we need to make the shopping cart icon. So all you need to do is just also pretty simple. So I just imagine it in my head. I try and make a shopping cart, something like this, that, like that. Maybe not that high, lower, like that, and change the radius so it's not sharp at the edges. Maybe 2. Make it a little bit like that, so it's not too long. Then if done, all you need to do is add the wheels and change the color into white. After that, just duplicate, put it over here. So that's done for the icons. Don't forget to group these, group the heart icon, and don't forget to shift A or auto layout, which is 16 the gap. So don't forget to auto layout, shift A, the gap is 16, and the gap between the menus and the icons are 84. So just increase until 84, just like so. See, as you can see, this is not aligned. Maybe you can just put it to the left a little bit so it's pretty much the same. See, that's pretty much the same. Okay, that's done for the icons. Don't forget to change this as well to rename it into icons. So that's the icons, the menus, and the logo. After that, of course, in a front page you need your title, so, or make your slogan, right? So all you need to do is use the text tool, red hat display, change the size into 50 the size, then type make home more beautiful than ever, dot, and then resize the text so it's more at the end. Then put it aligned with the logo. Put it somewhere in the middle and align with the logo, just like that. Beautiful, yeah. After that, you need your subtext. You need to duplicate, resize it into 20, size 20, excuse me, 20. Change it into semi-bold text, medium, sorry, medium, and put it, the gap is 22, so put it the gap only 22. Then type again, beautify your home, choose from a wide variety of modern, simplistic, premium, quality furnitures in Homeify. Furnitures, right? Not yes. So just like that. Then if done making the title, the slogan, and the subtext, now we're gonna make the buttons. For the buttons, all you need is a rectangle. That the size is 165 by 959.65. So 165, and how much was it? 59.65. That's the size. Change the color into this one, red one, and then put it align with the slogan. This also, don't forget to make it align. And then smooth the edges so it's not sharp. 7.75, so put in 7.75. Then put the text explore inside. Just duplicate, put the text above the box, then type in explore like so, then put it in the middle. So that's for the explore button. For the buy now button, all you need to do is select both and duplicate, put it here. The exact gap is 19, so decrease it until 19. Put the text in the middle, and after that add stroke on the second button. Don't forget to change the text into buy now and change it into the red color. Right now you cannot see anything, but we're gonna delete the fill. Now you can see the text. Change the thickness until 3, I think, or was it, yeah, it was 3, and change the color same as this one. Okay, so that's done. And for the line, like this stroke line, it's pretty easy to make. All you need to do is use the pen tool and make that, like something like that shape. So just make something like this, and something like that. If you're done, do the same like so, then connect it with the other end. With that, maybe this is too thick. You can resize it by dragging it down, making it more thin. Maybe this a little bit more smaller. Maybe something like that. Not that thin. Maybe that's that. Then delete the stroke and add in a filling. Then after that, just put color in, which is same as the background. Need to be linear, and put it like same as the line, so like this, horizontally. After that, select this and choose the red color, and for this one, change it to 100% opacity, and it's like around here, near to the white and a little bit to the right. So first the color white, and then drag the circle a little bit to the right, so something like that. So that's how you make the line or the stroke. If you're done doing that, now we're gonna add in the paintings, the sofa, and the lamp. So just put it in from your downloads. Put it in, put sofa around here, the lamp here, the paintings above the sofa, around there. So as if the black background is the wall and the white is the floor. So to make that look more realistic, all you need to do is add a shadow. So add a shadow below the sofa. All you need to do is just add like a long rectangle, change the color into black, and then maybe the opacity becomes 70% or 100. Sorry, don't need to change it. And then the effect, click effect, go to layer blur, and then add the blur. So it looks something like that. Maybe a little bit more wide. Put it behind the sofa, so below the sofa. Make it a little bit more big. Maybe the blur needs to increase. It's like that. Then you're done. Now we're gonna add the lighting effect on the lamp. It's pretty easy. All you need to do is make like your own shape with the lamp, something like this. Delete the stroke, add in the fill, change the color into white, and same as before, layer blur. If it's too bright or too white, decrease the opacity. So it will look something like this, maybe 25%. You can move it a little bit to adjust the light, and yeah, also add a little bit of shadow below the lamp as well, just a little bit. Color black, effect, layer blur, and increase the increase the blur. Put it below the lamp, don't forget. This lamp shadow, this is light, this is sofa shadow, just like that. That's done for the sofa, the lamp, and the paintings. Now since over here looks a little bit empty, all you guys need to do, put this a little bit more up so it fits. Like so. Now we're gonna make the categories. For the categories, pretty much simple. All you need to do is type in categories, bold red hat display, and the size is 27.83, and then rotate it into 90 degrees and put it around, same align with the logo, the title, and the buttons. Align it with that, and somewhere around here. After that, to make the box, all you need to do is add a rectangle, like so. The size is 273,297, 273,297, like so, and the radius is 10, so increase it until 10. Done. Put it like above here a little bit, and then all you need to do is to duplicate it 3 times, so and like that. So for the first, we're gonna make the living category. What we need to do is to add the image from Google or from the downloads that you from the description. Put it inside the, so cover up the square with the image. Okay, don't forget to duplicate it first, so Control D, and then put it above the rectangle. And after that, select the image and the most top rectangle here, this one, sorry, not this. Delete the two here. We're gonna focus on the first square first. So select the top rectangle and the image and use as mask, so like that. Then if done, put the rectangle above here and then change the opacity, change the rectangle into linear. If done, select the top box and change the color into this color, the green one. So select and select again and change the color into green, dark greenish, so like that. So pretty much the same. And as you can see, this one is a little bit more dark compared to this one. To do that, you just need to duplicate your triangle and no, not duplicate triangle. You don't need to duplicate anything. What you need to do is, for this one, change it into black, but the opacity is still 0, so like that. And then the last is to use add a text living, semi bold 24.58, 24.58, semi bold, and the gap between each letter is 18%, so increase it until 18% and put it in the top middle, like so. And if done, group all of it, group all of the color, the image, and the text group, and rename it living. And then if done, all you need to do is duplicate. Now you can duplicate it and duplicate again. And then for the second category is kitchen, so just rename it kitchen, and this also rename it into bedroom. If done, to change the image, oh yeah, don't forget to here as well in the layers rename it again, kitchen, top one, oops, bedroom. If done, just change the image, the mask, first the kitchen, so click the mask group, then grab the kitchen image, put it, click the mask group and delete that image, then put the kitchen image above the square like before and put it here inside the mask group, so it's change. Same for the bedroom, delete and add in the bedroom image, frame, put it inside the bedroom image and put it in the mask group, so like so. And the last one is make the icon. All you need to do is grab an ellipse, make a circle, the size is 66 by 66, it's already done. After that, all you need to do is put it at least in the middle, like here, and make your own arrow. So it's a little bit lagging, so make it like this, like that, and continue making the bottom part of the arrow, like so. Then click done. Done, put it in the middle, put it in the middle, and then change the stroke into 2, change the color into white, and then change the circle color into green. This green, no, this one, and done. Maybe that's it. That's how you make a 3D front page, not a 3D front page, sorry, a web front page design in Figma. So that's how you make it. It's pretty simple. All you need to know in a front page, all you need is a logo, a menus bar, icons, a slogan, buttons, and the image. Maybe that's all for this tutorial, this UI UX tutorial. Maybe that's all. Thank you very much for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.